Today we're going to be talking about hand protection. As we talk about this, let's jump right in it. We're going to talk about latex gloves, leather multi-use gloves, and we're going to talk about cut-resistant, puncture-proof gloves. Here we are in the paint booth. A couple of ways for using our latex gloves. Maybe using it, getting some acetone out of the container here. Definitely want your latex gloves so you don't get any kind of spills on you. Or if you're just trying to use the acetone here or other agents here for mixing or something, make sure you have these latex gloves on that can't get to your skin. So here I am with my leather gloves on. So these leather gloves are our multi-use gloves we would use for when we're dealing with pallets, any kind of wood type surfaces that has nails and splinters and stuff. Or if you're carrying boards, if you're carrying spacers or something like that, any kind of wood, if you're cutting wood, anything that you're dealing with wood, these would be the perfect gloves for that. So now we're back here in our fabrication area. I got these gloves here. They have the ANSI cut rate. If you can see this, the cut level on these is a cut 9. So the ANSI level, from 1 to 9, the higher the number, the more cut proof that it is, the higher the number. And we have 9s because there are times you use these gloves on these metals so much that they'll wear down, and this metal will cut through these gloves. So it's very important that you use these particular gloves for the correct job. So I do recommend when you're working back here in the fabrication area or metal period that you use the ANSI level 9s anytime that you're dealing with any kind of metal, because metal is very sharp. As far as the other multi-purpose gloves go, I would just use a ANSI level 4 or 5 would be more than enough for the job. So at the end of the day, guys, let's just make sure that you go home with 10 fingers. And with that, if you have any questions or comments, please go to dehumidifiers.com.